In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with NBKC Bank online, guided for the year 2025. Whether you're gearing up for a mortgage discussion or just need to have a general banking consultation, securing an appointment can help you address your needs efficiently. Let's dive into the steps to do this conveniently from the comfort of your home. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the NBKC Bank's official website. This is your primary gateway to scheduling appointments and accessing a wide range of online services they provide. Once you've opened your browser, go ahead and type in www.nbkc.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll arrive at the home page where all the services are laid out for you to peruse. Now, one of the most user-friendly features of their site is the live chat option, which you'll find on the lower left-hand side of your screen. This chat interface is an effective way to communicate directly with a representative. Simply initiate the chat by clicking on the chat icon and go ahead to type your request. What are my options to schedule an appointment with an NBKC representative? Often, the representatives are helpful and may even set up the appointment manually for you, guiding you through the necessary steps. If you prefer talking to a human, another excellent option is to click on the Talk to a Human link located prominently at the top of their website. This section provides a list of different contact numbers and emails based on your specific concerns, whether it's customer service, mortgage inquiries, or any other department. To get the quickest response, it's recommended to directly call or email the relevant department where you wish to schedule your meeting. Don't hesitate to explain your needs so they can connect you to the right person. Keep on scrolling down the page and you'll spot additional details about further ways to make contact with NBKC Bank. There's no shortage of options here, and it's worth taking a moment to review which method suits you best to fit into your schedule and preferences. Finally, if you decide that sending a message suits your needs better, you can do so by scrolling a little further down to the contact form, fill in your necessary details, and click Submit. In this message, you should clearly state that you are looking to schedule an appointment and make sure to provide any pertinent details that might help them assist you quicker. And there you have it. With these steps, you have multiple pathways to successfully book an appointment with NBKC Bank. Whether through their live chat, a phone call, or a detailed message, your journey to scheduling an appointment should be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your banking experience smoother.